If you want to use voice typing on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we need to open settings. Once you open settings, then in here we should be able to scroll down and we want to go to system. Now once you open system settings, then you should be able to proceed to keyboard. Then over here choose on-screen keyboard, and then we're gonna go to Gboard. This is the keyboard that we use by default. In here you should be able to find voice typing, so of course you want to go over here and you want to make sure that it is enabled. You can also enable faster voice typing, which is of course recommended. And after that you should be able to open your keyboard. And in here on the right side of the keyboard we have this microphone, so you can tap on it in order to be able to say things out loud and use voice typing. If you use this option for the first time, you need to grant the keyboard the access to the microphone so it can of course record you, or maybe not record you but use your voice to detect what you are saying, of course. So we're gonna choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, as you can see right now on the screen. And there we go, we can tap again in order to turn the microphone off. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.